Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Rebecca and I am the temporary housewife. Today I want to share with you a delicious recipe. It is arroz con pollo, Puertorican style, and it is essentially a stewed together chicken and rice dish. It is delicious and it's actually really easy to make. Here I'm going to show you the type of pot that I'm using. It is called a caldero or an olla. You don't have to use this. You can use any pot actually that you have. But this is what I saw my mom and grandma cooking growing up. And they're really easy to find if you're interested. Target, Walmart. This one's mine. Many pots of rice have been cooked there. Now our ingredients are some adobo, dried oregano, sofrito, minced garlic to your liking, sazón, chicken bouillon. Now we're only going to use about a third of that. This is about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to season them with the adobo and the dried oregano. Now to my cold pot, I am going to add about a tablespoon and a half of oil. I'm using vegetable oil today. And I'm going to turn that up to a medium-high heat. And once it's hot, I'm going to add the chicken in so that I can sear. Oh, and obviously I diced the chicken. So you're going to mix that. And once it's seared, you're going to see that it's changed color. You're going to start adding your other ingredients, which is sofrito and the minced garlic, and you're going to mix that really well so that everything incorporates. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the sazón. This is not only going to add color, it's going to add flavor, lots of flavor. You're going to mix everything well. You want everything to be nice and colorful. Now these are ingredients that you can find easily in your supermarket. I'm going to add that third of the chicken bouillon. And here I believe I made 2 cups of rice. This is parboiled rice, is what I had on hand that day. And I'm going to go ahead and throw that into our chicken mixture. This happened like maybe after 5-8 minutes of the chicken stewing there. I'm gonna mix that well, and I'm gonna pour water, and I'm doing 1.5 cups of water or liquid for every cup of rice. Now I'm using water because I have that chicken bouillon in there. If not, I would have used some chicken broth. Now this is a little trick that I learned from just watching my grandma and my mom cook. If it stands up, it's a good consistency. You have the right amount of water. If it tips over, then you have too much water. Now you're gonna let that boil uncovered, and it takes about 15 minutes to dry. Once it dries, you're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. And once you're done stirring, giving it that first stir, you're gonna go ahead and lower it to a medium-low heat, and you're gonna cover it. You're going to cover it, and it's going to cook for another, I guess, 15-20 minutes. It doesn't take that long. And this is what it looks like once it's cooked. I added some cilantro. I forgot to mention that earlier, but I found it and I added it. You can pick it out once it's done. But you see how beautiful and loose, colorful, and of course full of chicken. And this is how I served it up that day. I had our rice, our beautiful rice, some salad, some beans, and some tostones. Now you see that pink sauce over the tostones? There is a recipe for it coming up. It is delicious, flavorful, and perfect for those tostones. If you like this recipe, please, please, please give it a like. And if you liked it a lot, please subscribe because there's a lot more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Buen provecho.